Danger, buyer beware. I wanted to come on today and talk about a couple of things that will tie right in to Mr. Mufareh and his team and what they're doing. And I want to talk about AI a little bit. And we all know AI, it's a new technology. And obviously, when you get a new technology, there are people that will come in and use it the right way. And then there are people who will come in and use it the wrong way. And I want to talk about those individuals, those crooks that will come in and try and steal, kill, and destroy you. Here's what they're doing today. When you go on a site that you've been on maybe a half a dozen times or a dozen times, and you go in, you find something you like, and you buy it, you have to be very, very careful today. And it doesn't matter what the site is. It can be Amazon, it can be a nutrition site, it can be a health site, it can be any site that you go on and buy. What these crooks are doing right now is they're using AI, and AI is creating an identical site to the site you usually go to buy. And when you go there, you can't tell the difference. And a lot of people, what they're doing is they're going in and they're buying whatever they're going to buy, whatever they find. And they, yeah, I want that, I'll buy it. They get the credit card out, they put it in there, they buy it, and then they move on. Well, that product never arrives to their house, ever, ever, ever. These thieves, they take your money, they don't give you a product, they have your credit card information now, and they use your credit card, and they could steal your identity. So this is a really, really big deal. Today in the United States, it is the buying season, but this is worldwide. This is what they're doing worldwide. And the way you prevent it is you look at the URL. You go up to the top of the page, you look at the URL. That's the address of that particular business online. And if it looks a little funky, do not buy anything there. Get out of it, go to Google, look it up, go to the real site, look at the URL. You're going to be able to tell if it's the real Amazon or it's the real site that you've been to many, many, many times. So I wanted to throw that out there. These thieves, they're very, very good at what they do, and they've found a way to use AI to literally take everything you have, at least everything they can take. And that brings me to Mr. Mufareh and his team. Most people don't understand, yeah, AI, if it's used in the right way, which Mr. Mufareh will be doing, will lift up humanity. And that's what he and his team are doing. I think everything will be integrated, everything will be connected with AI. But he's using AI in the correct way. And here's what's really, really cool about AI. AI can be a great protector on the online ecosystem. And what that means is it protects your content, it protects your personal information, it protects everything you have. And I believe what Mr. Mufareh and his team are doing with AI is putting a fence around you. Yeah, AI is going to go to work for you, but it's also going to be there, in my mind, to protect you. That's what the good AI is used for. It's there to lift up humanity, not tear it down, not steal from it. So as we move forward, and again, this is worldwide, make sure you're on the right site, make sure you're buying on the right site, so these people can't come and steal, kill, and destroy, steal everything that you have. And then when we start to think about AI, when we start to think about Mr. Mufareh and his team and what they're doing with AI, Mr. Mufareh has a heart to serve. He has a good heart. And because of that, he's going to be using AI in the correct way, the way it should be used, to lift up society, to lift up humanity, not to tear it down. I just wanted to come out very, very quickly and throw that out there. This is happening today. This is what the bad guys are doing today. And I believe very, very quickly, as Mr. Mufareh gets into the educational modules on Victory with Ash and then into the new vehicle, we're going to start to see how Mr. Mufareh is using AI. And I believe that we're going to understand what he's doing. But as we come into the big, bold, beautiful new dream, I don't think we'll ever see it. It'll be in the background and it'll be working for you. And that's the important part. So I just wanted to come out here very, very quickly. Danger, buyer beware. Be careful of where you're at. Look at the URL. Make sure you're on the right site before you pull that credit card out and start buying things. If you don't, yeah, again, it is buyer beware. So that's it for today, guys. Have a great week. Hopefully Mr. Mufareh will come out in the next couple of days give us a little direction, a little update. I think he will. It'll be, and obviously when he does that, it's always good. And from there, we'll just absolutely see everybody at the top. Take care. Bye.